Hello everyone! Today we have a tutorial on replacing the tires of Ripple. Tools needed are: first, use an Allen wrench, 2.5 mm, to remove these 5 tire screws. Note there are 2 washers between the tire screws and the motor cover. Use an L-shaped wrench to remove this screw. Note there is a washer here. Then remove the tire and motor cover. Check if the washer is still in place after removing the tire. If it accidentally falls off, the pointed end of the washer should face inward, and the flat end outward. Next, let's confirm the direction of the tire. The side with stripes and a cutting surface faces inward, while the rounded smooth side faces outward. Pass the Allen wrench, 2.5 mm, through the motor cover. Then through the tire, align the Allen wrench with the threaded hole on the motor. Then install the tire onto the motor. Ensure the tire is flush with the outer edge of the motor. Then confirm the direction of the washer. The direction of the 8 teeth of the 2 washers should face inward, while the direction of the 20 teeth should face outward. Then use the tire screws to pass through these 2 washers. Then pass the tire screws with washers through the corresponding holes. Screw all 5 tire screws into the threaded holes on the motor, but do not tighten them yet. After all 5 tire screws are in place, tighten the tire screws in this sequence. Tighten the tire screws one by one. Put the screw through the electrical ring and tighten it back to its original position with an L wrench. Repeat the same process for the other side. See you in the next tutorial.